Yeah.
Do you wanna go to the river? I know a spot so deep and green, with wild raspberries and apple trees and rocks to climb between. Water like a washing machine. Do you wanna dance? Sometimes I think I try too hard. I trip on my shoes and I trip on my shirt, get caught in the dirty yard. Caught in the dirt in the yard, you show me understanding, patience and pleasure, time and attention, love without measure, love without measure. You're cooking dinner, it's get around 10:30. I haven't smelled food so good since I don't know where, and I don't know where, and I don't know. Stove light glows like a fire is sitting on the kitchen floor. Just when I thought I couldn't feel more, I feel a little more. Feel a little understanding, patience and pleasure, time and attention, love without measure, love without measure. There's a guy on the nape of my neck and he hangs out there all day. He quantifies my every thought and tells me not to play. He tells me not to play. We lay around for hours, talk about childhood pain, mom and dad and past lives too. I can tell you anything, I can say anything, you show me understanding, patience and pleasure, time and attention, love without measure, love without measure. Show me understanding, patience and pleasure, the 11th dimension. Free treasure, free treasure.
Aqui, ó. Oh.
Through your eyes I see the smile you bring to me. To your joy a tether, not alive, just forever intertwined, sewn together like the rock bears the weather. Not alive, just forever. My dog barks trees to grow.